If you're new to pepper research and have no idea where to start, 3 years of following the space will save you from mistakes almost every beginner makes. Peppers have become a buzzword, and that's actually the problem. There are hundreds of compounds, each with a different and distinct mechanism, and researchers who try to study 5 at once end up with no idea what's doing what. The starting point matters more than most people actually realize. If someone you know is just getting into the pepper research and has no idea where to start, share this. This is the video I wish someone would have had for me when I first started into this space. And structurally, peppers are just short-chain amino acid sequences, less complex than full proteins, but each one carries a specific signaling function. And research documents activity across hormone signaling, immune function, and tissue repair depending on the compound. That specificity is what makes starting with the right one so important. The compound researchers most consistently recommended as a starting point, people would recommend is body protective compound. Now, there are 2 specific reasons it keeps appearing at the top of beginner research frameworks. First, it is the most studied pepper in the research literature. The value of documented observations across multiple systems make in this compound researchers understand best. That matters when you're building a baseline. And second, unlike most compounds in this category that researchers study in the injectable form, body protective compounds is one of those few documented research on oral administration and bioavailability. That makes it a structurally different entry point for researchers looking to start without the complexity of other delivery methods. Research observations associated with this compound include gut lining integrity, joint tissue repair markers, inflammatory pathway modulation, all documented in peer-reviewed literature across animal and in vitro studies. For anyone already researching this compound, what was the first thing you noticed in your research observations? Drop it in the comments. Building a community knowledge base right here. Make sure you save this as your beginning framework. And if sourcing is where you're stuck, COA verification, third-party testing are the only non-negotiables. Link is in the bio for research.